What's up, people? Welcome. Sat Sri Akal. How are you guys doing? Can you guys all hear me? What's up? Long time no see, people. It's been so long. How are you guys doing? All good? How are your preparations going? All good? How's life? All good? How are you guys? Yes. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me just stop. Yeah, what's up? Finally. Hello, Parth. Hi, Shweta. Hi, Aaron. What's up? Hi, Mayak. Hi, Iconic Gamer. Hi, Daria. Hi, Vani. What's up? Where am I from? I'm from Bangalore. Did you have your lunch? Not yet, Sujana. What is special at your place? Hi, hello. Welcome. Sure, Gautam ji. Today, the pakka bet on it. I've come prepared. Today I've come prepared. I'm ready. Look at me pulling up my sleeves and all. So please keep less sessions for CBSE. Oh, all right. We'll look into it. Don't worry. Hello guys. Welcome. It is still going on. Anyways, welcome guys. Welcome to today's session. How are you guys feeling today? Yes, it's a Tuesday afternoon. So what is going on in life? Chicken. Yes, I would love to have some chicken. My native, I'm from Kerala, but I was brought up in Bangalore. That's how it is. Not yet. I'm good though. Yes, Are Shri Radha, what's up? Welcome. All right, guys. Anyways, a very warm welcome to all of you guys out there. My name is Anoop. I am a physics master teacher here at Vedantu. For all those who are new, a very warm welcome to Vedantu's 9th and 10th English channel. Hope you'll have a wonderful time here. Make sure you subscribe to the channel as well, because we have lots of amazing sessions going on, and trust me, you'll find it helpful for your CBSE board preparations, right? So anyways, once again, welcome. I know it's hard. I know it's like everything is going on very fast right now, because some of the schools have opened up and you're finding it even more difficult to manage your physical class and your offline sessions. I totally understand it. Some of you guys are like, life is boring. I understand. I cannot imagine myself being in 10th standard and being locked up in a room, so I totally get it. Don't worry about it. Things will get better. Maybe not right away, but yes, in a couple of months it'll get better. So until then, hold your horses, do a lot of meditation, breathe in, breathe out, and it'll all go fine. All right. So anyways, once again, welcome to today's session, guys. Welcome. Thanks a lot. Thank you. So people, we are here to ace our MCQs today. We are going to be doing a lot more case study based question from light, reflection and refraction, because we have completed the chapter, and we'll be asking a lot of questions today based on for your term 1 preparation. That is, so we have already done case study for for light and light, reflection and refraction. We had done 1 sessions for that. We had already done 1 session. In that we covered about 3 questions, and each question had about 3 to 4 sub questions as well. So we already did 1 part of it. This is the second part, which means it's a continuation of the same. But today's questions are going to be a little twisted. It's not going to be straightforward. It's going to be all twisted. So people, let me ask you this question. Are you guys ready? Are you people ready? Because Batman likes to dance. That's why. Yes, Tejas, I know Kannada. Yes, the whole thing is going to be on Menti, people. So chill out. So before we get started, guys, let me ask you 1 question. All right. This question is going to decide whether you guys are going to get 90% or 95%. All right. This is for all the toppers. Even if you're not, just try out this question. The question is this. A man rode out of town on a Sunday. He stayed the whole night at a hotel and rode back to town the next day on Sunday. How is this possible? Can anyone answer this question? All the genius out there, all those Sherlock Holmes and Sherlockless Holmes. Come on, people. Come on. Can anyone answer this question? I dare you, people. If you get the right answer, if you get the right answer today for this question, if you get the right answer for this question today, I will do Gangnam dance. I'll do Gangnam style. If you guys get this right. Explain the question. I'll read the question one more time. A man rode out of town on Sunday. He stayed the whole night at a hotel and rode back to town the next day on Sunday. How is this possible? What? Next week? No, he came on the next day. Now, what is next week and all? What is this, people? Come on. Voice is not audible. Increase the volume a little, Sanjana. I think everyone can hear me. In his dreams, no. 12 o'clock ho gaya tha. No. Oh, okay. Alright. So he went at 12 and came at no Shimak. There is no technicalities here. It's actually a very simple question. Da. Sunday name of what? Da? Sunday name what? Yeah, the name of the day is Sunday. Yes. Maybe his vehicle name is Sunday. Alright. Smart enough, good enough. You guys will get 85% or 95%. The answer to this question, guys, is that his horse's name was Sunday. So he rode on Sunday. The next day he came back on Sunday. So he went there on Saturday, riding on his horse, and the next day he came back. How awesome is this riddle? Huh? Give me a thumbs up. Give me a oh yeah in the session, and also give me a rating of 0 to 10. If you can, even if you can go beyond that also, but don't go below that. Yeah, awesome riddle. No? I know I'm a genius. Give me a high five. I know I'm like the best riddle chooser in the world. Okay, so guys, let's get started. So people, today we are going to be doing a lot of questions. So in the last session, if you guys remember, we did a lot of questions from spherical mirrors. Today we're going to be doing a lot of case study based questions on refraction. All right. So people, everyone, quickly log into the Mentimeter. Where is my Mentimeter? For God's sake. Yes, people. This is your Menti code for today. All you have to do is this: open up a new tab on Google or Safari or whatever website, Mozilla, Firefox, Internet Explorer. If you're still living in the 80s, you can go with that also. So people, all you have to do is go to www.menti.com, menti.com, and enter the code 122597776. All right, let's go, guys. Let's go. Everyone, all of them were there. Make sure you're there in the Menti also. Yeah. Sir Monty is right here. So when come, name is Monday. Yes, Krishanand. You can name it whatever you want. Monday, Tuesday, Saturday, Sunday. Minus 100. Why? Yes, I am a South Indian. That's why I sound like a South Indian. Why would I not? Yes, thank. I know, right? Mad question. Hey, that's the best question you can get down there. I know. That's what I told before. I know, right? Okay, minus 200 and all. Okay, so guys, everyone, quickly, soon, Daniri, soon. I'm still looking for a acceptor. I'm ready to donate. Alright, guys, please quickly join the Mentimeter. This is the first question as well. For all those who are here on YouTube, you can read the question, but I would suggest you to go to the Mentimeter and take part in the quiz as well, so that you get a better practice of it rather than just answering it on the chat box where nobody checks. You can actually do it on the Mentimeter. You'll get a good practice. That's the whole point of this, right? So the question is this. In the meantime, join the Mentimeter. The code once again is this, people: 122597776. So please join the Mentimeter. Whoever is here, what is Menti, Akhilesh? Menti is basically like a quiz platform. It's like a quiz platform. So all you have to do is this: open up a new tab. You're on YouTube right now. Open up Google Chrome or something. Open up a new tab. Enter this website, www.menti.com, menti.com. It's a quizzing platform. So once you enter, they'll ask you for a code. The code for today is this: 1259775. All right. So this is the code. All you have to do is click on this. Enter this code, and you'll be a part of the quiz. All right. Let's go. Yes, Ayush. You can't do it on YouTube, though. You'll have to open up a new platform for that. All right. So name something that has to be broken before you use it. Name something that has to be broken before you use it. Silence. I'm good, Pratima ji. How are you doing? Welcome. Egg. Oh, egg is also correct, but silence also. Do you have to break silence? No. Come on. You can't beat me on riddles. Food can, it's silence. No, exactly. Look at that. Okay, so guys, I'll start the quiz. Or how many of you guys are here right now? Guys, quickly. How many of you are here right now in the quiz, in the Mentimeter? There are about 70. 80, 90. Let's make it 100. Let's go. So guys, this is the question. The first question. Read it very carefully, and then we'll move on to the sub questions. The first question is this: analyze the following table showing refractive indices of 4 different mediums. You have medium number A, medium B, medium C, and medium C and D. And answer the questions that follow. The refractive indices of 4 mediums A, B, C, and D are given in the following table. So for medium A, the refractive index is 1.33. For medium B, the refractive index is 1.50. For medium C, the refractive index is 1.52. And for medium D, the refractive index is 2.40. Now, you know what, guys? I am going to be asking questions based on it. So if you have a notebook, it would be better if you could write it down as well. So it'll be easier for you to refer it, because once I start the questions, you will not get these values again. So if you have a notebook and a pen with you, take 30 seconds, write down these refractive indexes, because all the questions for the first case study would be based on these refractive indexes. All right. Taking a screenshot. All right. Okay then, people. So here is your first question on your little screens. I mean, big screens, little screen, whatever it is here right now. Let's go. If light travels from one medium to another, in which case the change in speed will be minimum? If light travels from one medium to another, in which of the cases will the speed of light be minimum? The change in the speed of light be minimum. Options are A and B. Option B, B and C. Option C, C and D. And option D is A and D. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Come on, people. Come on. Let's go. Miss Click Madhu. First question. Here we go, people. This is what it stands. 32 of you guys got it right. That's not bad. That's how many percentage, guys? 35% of the class. Excellent, guys. Excellent. Super start. Not even 50% of the class. I like it. Good start. 23 of you guys went with option number A. 22 went with option number C. And 15 of you guys went with option number D. Unfortunately, guys, the right answer is option number B. You know why? Let me explain this. See, guys, when the difference in refractive index is minimum, the change in speed of light will also be minimum. Yes or no? Look at this, guys. Here, this value means that what does refractive index tell you? Refractive index tells you by how much a ray of light is bending. So the lesser the speed of light in that medium, the more bending of light. So that means that if I have these two mediums, medium number B and C put together, because the refractive index of B and C is very, very similar, there's only a difference of 0.02, right? Because of that, the change in the speed of light would be less when light is traveling from B to C or from C to D. Got it? Able to understand? So guys, like I told you, all of the questions today will be like this. It is not going to be straightforward. It is going to be twisted. The questions are actually easy, but it's going to be twisted like this. So be prepared, be mentally and physically prepared to answer these type of questions. It's not going to be straightforward. Let me be very honest. All right. For all those who are in the quiz today thinking that the questions are easy, I'll come on the leaderboard. No. It is going to be a little twisted, but yes, it is easy, but it's going to be twisted. So you have to read the question very, very carefully, right? Anyways, Uday was the fastest to answer. Congratulations. Second is Snuggles G. Third is Wolfmeister. Then it is Dr. Centipede. Then it's Krishnananda. Then we have Shivank. Yes, buddy, I do remember you. Barefoot Contessa. Then it's Ayush Venture, and then Earthman. What a cool name, people. What cool names. Wolfmeister is a Naman. Oh, all right. Okay, so the second question, based on the same first case study, the same question, but the second sub question. Here we go. Take a look at this one. If light is traveling from one medium to another, in which case the change in speed will be maximum. Minimum they found out. In which of these would the change in the speed of light be maximum? Options are A and B, B and C, C and D, or is it A and D? Let's go, people. Let's go. Yes, Vandana. It'll go until 4. We'll try to finish off before that, but let's see. So, Budwag pehle hi a question kach. Oh, is it? And still majority got it wrong. That's what I'm so proud of you people. Even though Ikar did this question already, he still got it wrong. Well done. Amazing, guys. Absolutely wonderful. Simple common sense. No, because see, again, let's go back to that. Okay, that was not supposed to happen. I'm so sorry that you had to hear it. Okay, I'm so sorry, guys. Happens. Sometimes, I'm like this. All right. Okay. So, guys, let's answer this question very quickly. So, here's what happened. Here's what happened. So, okay. So here's the question. Which of these, the change when you have light traveling from one medium to another, in which of these the change in speed of light be maximum? So here guys, again, refractive index of A is 1.33 and refractive index of D on the other hand is 2.40. The difference is maximum. It is maximum between A and D. So that means that speed of light in A is much more faster compared to speed of light in D, which will be the slowest. So the change in the speed of light when light is traveling from B to A to D will be maximum. That is why guys, option number, which was the option D, would be the right answer. All right, so it'll be A to D, because again, the difference, the more the refractive index, the slower the speed of light. So D has the slowest. In D, the light will travel much more slower, and A, in comparison to all the four mediums, would be the fastest. So from a comparatively fast medium, light is entering into a very, very slow medium. So the change in that speed of light would be greater when you compare these both, right? So that is the answer, guys. Anyways, Uday on the first, followed by Rudransh and Om, who is in the first and the second position. Gopu Sir's army, AKR Sir's army, congratulations. Then we have Shivak, then it's Krishananda, then it's then we have Naman, army, Bhavana Mam's army. How many RVs do we have now? Then it's Samarth, Baijus, followed by Ayush, then it's Tejas and Palak. Hi Faida. Yes, I do remember you, Palak ji. How are you doing? Moving on to the next question, guys. Here is the third question for the day. All right, again, based on the same case study based question. Here we go. Let's go. The question is, what is the question? A ray of light enters from medium A to medium B, as shown in the figure. The refractive index of medium B relative to A will be greater than unity, lesser than unity, equal to unity, or will it be zero? Let me repeat the question. A ray of light is entering from medium A to medium B, as shown in the figure. The refractive index of medium B relative to A will be what? Awesome people, 52 of you guys got it right. Not bad at all. 21 went with option number B. One of you guys, because you were feeling so sorry for option C and D, you didn't want them to leave, to be left alone from this competition. So each of you guys, I like the democracy. I like your sacrifice that you guys are doing for this nation. Everyone, please give them a big round of applause to those 1 people who decided that option C and D should not be left alone in this race. Kindly, please guys, please take a minute of silence for them as well, and one congratulations also. Well done guys, well done. It's okay. I no complaints. Well done, it's okay. Anyways, the right answer to this question, guys, would be option number the right answer would be option number A. Why is that? Look at this, guys. Light is entering from a rarer medium to a denser medium. Okay, a rarer medium, which is this. Let me just change my color. It is traveling from a rarer medium to a denser medium. Why is it so? Because look at this, guys. Only when light is entering from a rarer to denser medium, the ray of light will bend towards the normal. And you can see that this is the original path of light, and this is the refracted ray. So it is going towards the normal. And that means that medium A is rarer and medium B is denser. If you talk about a denser medium, people, the refractive index of this will be much more greater, and refractive index of A will be a little bit more lesser, because it is a rarer medium. In comparison, it's a rare medium, and the second one is a denser medium. Now remember, guys, one thing you have to remember is this: no matter which medium you take, the refractive index of every medium will always be greater than 1. Why is that so? Because when you talk about absolute refractive index, if you remember absolute refractive index, what is absolute refractive index? Anyone remembers that? Absolute refractive index. Anyone in the chat box from the previous sessions, what is absolute refractive index? Yes, Nitish, I'm there. I don't know. Good job. Good answer. Very good answer. C by V. Exactly. It is the speed of light or the velocity of light in vacuum to the speed of light in that medium. And this ratio will always be greater than 1. This ratio will always be greater than 1 because the speed of light in vacuum is the fastest. So that means that on the numerator, you have a value which is much more higher than the denominator. So the ratio will always be greater than 1. So here, the refractive index of every medium is going to be greater than 1. So here the refractive index of medium number B will be much more compared to medium number A. Which means that when you find out the ratio, that is NB by NA, will always be greater than 1. So that means that it will be greater than unity. Unity means 1. It will be greater than 1. That is what it says. Got it? Is that clear, guys? Please remember this, that for any medium, even if we talk about air, if I just talk about air, which is one of the rarest medium that we have, the absolute refractive index of air is what? 300,000 or 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second divided by 299,000 kilometer per second, which means that it will still be greater than 1. All right, so always it'll be 1.003, so it'll always be greater than 1. So that means that when you divide these both, the value that you're going to get, the refractive index of B with respect to A, will also be greater than 1. That is what is meant by greater than unity. It'll be greater than 1. All right, is that clear, guys? Understood? This is how you check the answers. This is how you cross check whether the answer that you got is right or wrong. All right, please make sure you remember all these small things. You've already studied this, but it's just a quick revision and a twisted way of asking the questions in the board as well. All right, anyways, Uday, fastest answer, still at the top, followed by Om Pandey, followed by Rudraksh, followed by Krishnananda, followed by Shivang. Then it's Naman and Abir and Tejas and Ayush and Jia. Hi, welcome to the session. Awesomely well, guys. Super duper amazing. That was the end of the third question. Moving on to the next one. Now this is the second case study based question. Now all those who've just joined in right now, please join the Mentimeter in the meantime. You have enough time. The code for today once again is 122597776. 122597776 is the code. Once you enter the code, let me know in the chat box if you guys are in, so that we can move on to the next question. The question is this: study the given diagram and answer the following questions. A very thin narrow beam of white light is made to incident on 3 glass objects as shown in the below figure. Comment on the nature and the behavior of the emergent ray in all directions. All right, so these are the 3 diagrams given. One is a glass slab, the other is a triangular prism, and the last one is 2 triangular prism, where one of the base of the second prism is inverted and the first one is lying still. So this is what you have. You have an inverted prism. The last picture is basically, the third one is basically 2 triangular prism, where one of the base is inverted upside down. All right, so guys, here it is once again. Before I start the quiz question, let me see how many figures are here right now. All those who have exited it or got kicked out from the Mentimeter, please join back immediately. I'll give you guys 30 seconds. Join back. Once you're in, we'll move on to the 4th question for today. The code once again, for all those who are new, is 122597776. You guys can see over here, this is the code for today. Make sure you enter the quiz rather than just sitting on YouTube. Enter the quiz so that you can take a part in the quiz questions as well. Let's go, people. So when will it be less than unity? It'll never be less than unity, because no matter which medium you take, the speed of light can never be greater than the speed of light in vacuum. No matter which medium you take, the speed of light in whatever that medium is can it be greater than vacuum? Never. Which means that the absolute refractive index will always be greater than 1. It'll be greater than 1. It'll never be less than 1. That is what. All right. Yeah. Thank you, Shweta ji. Thank you. 100 likes. Keep people. Thank you. Well, let's make it 150. Let's make the aim as 150. Let's do it, people. All those who are new, like, or else, what is it? Like the last session I told, 1 like is equal to 1 prayer for Mr. Anoop Sir. Yes. Let's do it. All right. Okay, people. The 4th question. Here we go. Let's go. Here's the question. The question is: there is a similarity between 2 of the emergent ray. Identify which of the 2 are we talking about. Is it 1 and 2? Is it 1 and 3, sorry? Is it 2 and 3? Or you can't really say which one of these is similar. Out of the 3 diagrams given, there is some sort of similarity between 2 of them. Which of the 2 are similar is the question. Let's go, people. Let's go. Oh, it's okay, Anjika. It's okay, da. No worries, da. No worries. Chill out. It's okay. No worries. Please, don't worry about it, right? Anyways, 35 of you guys got it right. That is almost half the class, if I'm not wrong. 50, exactly 50%, guys. Absolutely wonderful. I can see the improvements. 24 of you guys, that's about 24%. Okay, that's 17 of you guys went with option number A, and 18 of you guys went with option number C. Unfortunately, those 2 are not the right answer. Let me tell you why. Because if you look at the diagrams, guys, if you look at the diagrams very carefully, here, after refraction, first of all, the emergent ray. Oh, what is this thing now? Okay, that was not something I was expecting. How did that even happen? Okay, so anyways, the refracted ray, after refraction, the emergent ray that comes out, first of all, is going to be laterally shifted, right? Because it's going to be, the emergent ray is going to be parallel to the incident ray. Secondly, if the ray entering through this glass slab is white light, when it comes out also it will be white light. Yes or no? When it comes out also it will be white light. If red light is entering into a glass slab, when it's coming out, it will still come out as red itself. The color is not going to change. You won't be able to see any sort of spectrum. On the second one, this white light will get split into 7 constituent colors, which is nothing but a VIBGYOR, which is nothing but the spectrum that you get, the VIBGYOR that you get. So here, there is splitting of white light happening. Here also what is happening is that after the splitting of white light happens, all of that gets reversed in the second prism. So the ray that comes out is actually going to be what? White light again. So what is the similarity, guys? 1 and 3 are similar because in both of them, the emergent ray that is coming out is still white. Whereas over here, there is a spectrum that you're able to see. You're able to see those 7 different colors, which happens because of the dispersion effect that happens in a prism. That does not happen in the case of glass slab as well as the prism. Got it? Is that clear, guys? We can't say because, oh yeah, that is true, Shivank. I haven't taught these two concepts. So yes, the blame is on me. I understand. We were supposed to start the chapter yesterday, but I could not because of internet issues. But nonetheless, guys, the answer to this question would be 1 and 3. All right. Why? Again, because in both of them, the emergent ray that is going to come out is going to be white itself. It is not going to change its color no matter what. That is the answer, all right? I know it's a little confusing. I know it's a little different from what you have already learned, but it's okay. It's okay. We are here to practice. It's okay to get wrong. Even if you get it wrong, it's okay in your exam. Don't repeat the mistakes, right? Anyways, Namanje on the top. Congratulations. Followed by Om Pandey, AKR Ka Budbak. Well done, buddy. Then it's Abir who was the first to answer. Followed by Rudraj. Then it's Tejas. Then it's Ayush. Then it's Shivank. Jia and Sai and Harsimran. First time on leaderboard. What prediction? He already wrote his name that his name is going to be on the leaderboard. Congratulations. Harsimran, super awesome. Okay, moving on, guys. Moving on to the 5th question. All right, so that's almost halfway through. All those who have left the Mentimeter, please join back immediately. I see 98 of you guys there, but the population over here is less. So please join back the Mentimeter. Make it a little bit more interactive. It'll be more fun because you'll also be studying and be answering the quiz at a very smaller time frame. So make sure you join the Mentimeter as well. I'll give you 10 seconds. The code for today is this 122597776. Once you're in, let me know. All right. So please tell when object come close in lens or mirror image goes where. Shashwat, that we have already discussed. When we talk about image formation, we've already discussed that. I've done that in the previous sessions, but if you want me to, we'll have one more revision session in the month of October. We'll start the revision. At that time I'll revise the concepts again, but until then, please go through the previous sessions that I've already done. You can check it out. All of them are there. We have taken 15 sessions to complete light chapter, so everything, even the smallest detail is there. All right. Anyways, here's the next one. When light enters from air to glass, the angle of incidence and angle of refraction in air and glass are 45 degrees and 30 degrees respectively. Find the refractive index of glass. Given that the sine 45 value is 1 by root 2 and sine 30 is 1 by 2, what would be the refractive index of glass with respect to air, obviously? Options are 2 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 2 or 1 by 2. Let's go, people. Namanji must click. Array. It's okay. Kavin, you will now. It's okay. High five, Prachi. What's up? Welcome. Hi, Nishar. Thanks a lot. At least one guy is in my army. Thank you, da. Thank you. Halwa questions. No, yeah, Shweta. Yeah. I can see that in the results. How halwa these questions are. I can see that. So late answer mera rank gaya. Oh, is it Ayush? It's okay. Hi, Kavin. What's up? 29 of you guys got it right. The rest of the class went with 1 by root 2. Unfortunately, that is not the correct answer. But the same number of you guys went with option number B as well. I understand the confusion. 7 of you guys went with option number C and 3 of you guys went with option number D as well. Let me answer this question. It's actually quite simple. Now, here's the thing, guys. How many of you guys here know about Snell's law? you haven't studied trigonometry yet, but this one though is simple fraction. They've given the trigonometric value also. You just have to substitute that, that's all. You know Snell's law, right? What is Snell's law, guys? According to Snell's law, the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is basically a constant. And that constant is what is nothing but your refractive index of glass with respect to air in this case. Now what is C? A ray of light is entering from glass and it's going into, air, it is going into glass. So this is my air, this is my glass medium. So what is happening is that this would be your angle of incidence. That is given as 45 degrees. So what is sine I? Sine I would be sine 45. And what is sine R? Sine R is nothing but sine 30. This angle is 30 degrees. Now that is equal to refractive index of glass with respect to air. What is sine 45? It is 1 by root 2. What is sine 30? It is 1 by 2. Take 2 to the numerator, take root 2 to the denominator. What will you get? 2 by root 2. That's all. This will be the answer. If you simplify it even more further, you will get the answer as 1.414, which is also the value for root 2. So if you want to simplify it even more further, you'll get the answer as, if you want to try it out in the calculator, 2 by root 2, you'll get it as 1.414, which is nothing but root 2. Got it? Clear, guys? Understood? This is how you solve the question. This is how you do it when they're asking you to find out the refractive index with respect to the angle of incidence and angle of refraction. You have to use your second law of refraction, which is also known as the Snell's law, which is nothing but sine I by sine R is equal to the refractive index of a medium or of a pair of medium, which is nothing but a constant. That's all. Alright, so that'll be the answer for this question, guys. I hope you got it. It's 2 by root 2. Again, guys, I can't stress this enough. These are the kind of questions that you can expect in your board exams as well. So you have to be well prepared in these kind of questions. That is why we decided to go with a question which are a little bit more tougher. It's not tough really, but it's a little bit more confusing, and I can see that in the results. I know that a lot of you guys are worried, sir, am I prepared enough? That is not something that I can tell you. That, see guys, what I'm trying to say is this, that there's a lot of you guys here. How many of you guys here are very confident about light chapter? You're 100% sure that yes sir, any kind of question in light I'll be able to solve it. How many of you guys are in those category that you're very, very confident? You've been studying this chapter for almost 3-4 months right now. You've been watching a lot of YouTube videos, probably you've been attending classes as well. Some of you guys are. Now guys, this is what I want you to understand. No matter how much of an expert you think you are, there are questions like this that can make it a little bit more difficult, especially when it comes to refractive index. When it comes to mirror formula, lens formula, it's very straightforward. But when it comes to refractive index, a lot of the students lose marks here. That is why we added these kind of questions. I know you feel a little disheartened, sir. I'm not able to answer it. Maybe I should not even attempt it. What I want to say is this, guys. Attempt the question. Make a note of it. In fact, I would suggest you to go through the questions one more time after the video is done, so that you can try to solve those questions mathematically and see if you're able to do it or not, and repeat it over and over again. That's how you become an expert. That's how you get good at a subject. That is what I want to say, guys. I know the questions are hard. I'm not saying that the questions are super easy. I am not saying that. I told you in the start, I warned you in the start itself, the questions can be a little twisted and it's going to get a little difficult, and as we go on it'll get even more difficult. But that is how you prepare for your boards. No, you can't expect them to give you questions that you know, right? Can you ask your board, the person who prepares the question, to give me a question that I know, give me that? You can't. No matter what, even if you put a 500 rupees note in that, they'll still not care. Why? Because it's not up to you. So what can you do? Prepare for all types of questions, including these types. All right, make sure you do that. All right, anyways, 6th question, people. Here we go. Let's go on. I know the number has gone down, but the ultimate goal is to give you guys a good practice. So here's the next one. Why does light change its path as the medium changes during the transit? Like, that is, when light is entering from one medium to another, why does the path of light change? The most simplest question. The basic question of refraction. Here we go. The speed of light is same in different mediums. Frequency of light is different in different mediums. Speed of light is different in different mediums. Or you really can't see. Come on, guys. This one though is bacha. This is bacha level question. This is even more smaller than bacha. Is there anything smaller than bacha? If it is there, then this is what it is. 49 of you guys got it right. Well done, people. Well done. By the way, guys, don't you want to have a bet? Don't you guys want to have a bet? We have already passed so many questions and none of the questions have exceeded more than 85% or even for 70% for that matter. Only 1 or 2 questions you guys exceeded more than 70%. So congratulations. I will give you my Google Pay number. You guys can send me how much ever donations. I accept donations. I accept Bitcoins, Dogecoins, all kinds of coins. Right? Even if it is 1 rupee coin, I accept it. So you guys can always send it to me on that. All right. Thank you. I know. Anyways, the answer to this question, guys, is because the speed of light is different in different mediums. And because there is a change in speed of light, what is happening? The path of light is changing. That's right. That is the definition of refraction. Whoever got us wrong, no? Respect. Salute to you. Anyways, because that is the basic definition of refraction. That is why refraction even happens. Make your concepts clear, guys. 2 months, that's all you have for your exams. Let's go. Anyways, Abir, fastest answer, followed by Om, followed by Jia. Then it's Rekim Shash. I have no idea how to pronounce the name. Is it Shashji? Congratulations. Science fan returns. Oh my God, welcome. Then it's Harsimra. Then it's Rudraj, Deepika. Welcome to the leaderboard. Ayush and Shivang. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. Well done. Welcome back, Shivangji. All right, moving on to the next question, guys. The 7th question. Again, this is also a question based on the second, case study based question. So let me just show the question to you one more time for all those who are a little confused. This was the second question, the second case study based question. So moving on to the 7th question based on the same. Let's go. Here we go. The question is, it's going to be a simple one. What is the unit of refractive index? What is the unit of refractive index? Is it meter? Is it meter per second? Is it diopter? Or it has no unit? Come on. Please don't get this wrong. Can we have 100% for this? Can we please get 100% for this? Yes. Hello G, what's up? Hi Shashiraj, what's up? All right, can we please please get 100% for this? Humble request. Come on, guys. Come on. 100%. Come on. If you get 100%, no, I will definitely call Abhishek Sir. If you guys get 100% in this, meter per second. I am dumbstruck. I'm lost for words. I am so astonished. I am so privileged. I am so happy. 12 of you guys, meter per second. Could you please show me yourself? Could I please? I really wish I could see your faces right now. I really wish we had this feature on YouTube where I could, uncam you guys and see your reaction when you read this question. Meter per second. Refractive index. Yeah. Yes. The refractive index is 40 km per hour. That is a unit. That is the answer. It has no units. It does not have any units, people. Why is this confusion? For example, let me give you an example. Let's say I want to find the absolute refractive index of glass. All right. Now, the absolute refractive index formula is what? The speed of light in vacuum divided by the speed of light in medium. Speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Speed of light in glass is around 1.97 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Both are meter per second. It gets cancelled. It does not have any units. It is a unitless quantity. It does not have a unit. All right. Please, guys. Please. 100%. I was expecting 100%. What was the result that we got? How many percent? 72%. Well done. So proud of you guys. That is one of the most easiest questions. Exactly, people. It is the same quantity. So how can it have a unit? Anyways, Abir still on top. Om was the first to answer the last question. Still trying to get on the top. I can see that sneaky Om. Then it's Jia, then it's Shash, followed by Science Fans, followed by Harsimran, followed by Rudransh, Ayush, Deepika, and Shivang. The leaderboard remains almost the same. Well done, people. Good going. Moving on to the next question, people. Now, the next question is the third case study based question. Now, before I get into the question and give you guys enough time to read, I have an important announcement to make. Now, a lot of you guys here, just by looking at the questions, and I can understand that you guys are facing a lot of difficulty in understanding the concepts. And it's very clear that, you want a little bit more clarity on the concept. Some of you guys have understood the concept but not able to answer the questions because you don't have enough practice. Now this is what I want to tell you guys. Vedantu is here for you guys. We are here for you guys to help you overcome the same exact problem. So whatever problems you guys are facing at this point of time, you have 2 months time, guys, and you have to utilize this 2 months. Otherwise, trust me, you'll regret it later. Trust me on that. Because again, guys, remember, this term 1 examination holds equal importance as your term 2 examinations as well. Unlike your previous successors, your seniors, you don't have the choice to take any exams lightly. And that is why we are here to offer you some help in terms of preparing for your boards, be it term 1 or term 2, be it understanding the concepts or be it solving the questions. Whatever it is that we can do from our side, we are here for you guys. Let me tell you some of the interesting facts about Vedantu just very quickly. I'll just take 1 minute of your time. First of all, guys, students at Vedantu have managed to crack one of the toughest exams in the world by this platform, with the help of this platform. About 29 students have scored 100 percentile in physics, which is not a small deal. And JEE Main is one of the toughest exams in the world. If you type top 10 exams in the world, JEE Mains would be coming in 4th or 5th position. That's how difficult this exam is. And we have helped several of our students crack those exams. So you can see the results with your own eyes. It is not just that we are saying something and we are delivering something else. You can see the results. About 694 students have scored 99 plus percentile, and about 27% of the 27 students scored 99.9 plus percentile, which is definitely not a small deal, right? And also, guys, to help you with your CBSE preparations, we also are going with the NTSE subscription courses as well. Now, these NTSE subscription courses would help you to train yourself for those NTSE examinations, which are a little bit more higher. It's a competitive exam, but it'll also give you a very good clarity of the concepts, be it mathematics, be it physics, be it chemistry, be it biology, be it mental ability test, or be it even social studies. About 139 selections have happened this year from over all the 21 states. About 21 states, we have so many different students coming in and have scored more than the qualifying marks to qualify for stage 2. And that is the highest in any institute, whatever institute that you take. 60 plus hours of live learning, 50 plus the chapter wise test, and 14 plus mock tests. This is going to give you a clear idea of how to attempt your NTSE. And not only that, guys, with your NTSE, you're also getting a good preparation for your CBSE board exams as well. It is not just NTSE. So you're getting all-round preparations for everything that you need. Unlimited doubt solving, that is an added feature. I don't even have to mention it. You can get your doubt solved whenever you want and how many ever doubts you want. Unlimited doubt solving, in-depth solution for all the questions, and summary of all the topics available at your fingertips. How do you enroll in the course? Let me just quickly tell you that also. So this is where we are right now. So where am I, guys? Inky Pinky Ponky, where am I right now? Yes, here I am. So cute. Anyways. Surprise. Yes. Surprise. So here's what you have to do, guys. Go to buy NTSE crash course, Vedantu crash course. Click on this link, guys. It will take you directly to that web page. I know you can read out all of the details that you need. You don't have to trust me right away. Just read for yourself. See the results that we have produced in the past. And then, only then, if you feel like doing it, go ahead and do it. Now, here's the thing, guys. The base price of this is 50,000 rupees. That is after the 50% discount. But if you click on buy now, you get an additional 500 rupees discount as well, which is going to help you to prepare for your NTSE. And if you clear your NTSE, remember, guys, you're going to be getting scholarships until your PhDs also. You'll be getting scholarships every month. That's how important this exam is. And more importantly, NTSE scholars have a different, aura to themselves. It's like, calling yourself an IIT and an IITN. That's how much value there is in the society. And it's also given a lot of importance in college as well. So yes, guys, 4,500 is what the cost brings down to. And yes, all of the features, everything you can see for yourself. And after that, you can decide where, if you want to go for it or not. Now, Navjot sir is one of the teachers who's teaching NTSE students, and he has a 19 plus year of experience. Reno ma'am has an experience of 30 plus years in the world of teaching offline as well as online. And we have other amazing teachers also. You can see for yourself, 15 plus years of experience, 30 years, 10 years of experience. These are the amazing kind of teachers who's going to be with you throughout your NTSE preparations. So yes, I can tell you this, that you are in safe hands and you will be in safe hands until you're with us. Right? So anyways, let's get back to the Mentimeter. So guys, all those who have left the Mentimeter, join back quickly. I'll give you 30 seconds and then I'll show you the question. Let's go. Hi Bhumika, what's up? Yes, da. I know, right, Manas? Can't help it, da, but we have to. Yes. Let's go to the last question, guys. I know, Krishanand. I know. These questions might take a little longer. The reason why we are giving a short time is so that you get you get a better practice of how to think under stress, under a time constraint, and also to give you a practice of how to solve this question as fast as possible. Because you have only 90 minutes, and I would request you to utilize your time well. In that 90 minutes, you have to solve all of the questions, right? So make sure you give a little bit more time on your numericals, and these kind of questions, you should be able to do it faster. That is why there is a time constraint given to you. All right. Okay, let's go, guys. Come on. Let's go. 10th IIT Foundation. No, not permanently, but I'll be taking up the revision courses. Yes. All right. So yeah, guys, 8th question. Okay. No. Please don't start. I didn't even show you the question. Here's the question, guys. The refraction of light ongoing from one medium to another takes place according to the two laws of refraction. Let me just hide my video. Let me just 1 second. Voting is closed away. What? Okay, wait. How do I? Yeah. Oh, that's me. Ignore that. Wait a second. I'm just playing around with the toggles here. 1 second. I think it's this one. I'm vanished. Abracadabra. I'm gone. All right. So here's the question, guys. Read the question carefully. Wait. Why am I back again? I'm gone. Wait. 1 second. Am I gone? No, I'm still there. Wait a second, people. I don't remember the toggles. So let me just keep it as full display for a second. Yes. So here's the question. Let's go. The refraction of light ongoing from one medium to another takes place according to two laws, which are known as the laws of refraction of light. And these laws are the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is always constant for a pair of medium in contact. That is, sin I by sin R is equal to constant, which is nothing but the refractive index. This constant is also called as the refractive index of the second medium with respect to the first medium. Refractive index is also defined as the ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in that medium. Absolute refractive index. The incident ray, refracted ray, and the normal all lie on the same plane. This is called the Snell's law of refraction. That is they've actually mixed it up. The Snell's law is nothing but the first law, all right? So guys, this is your statement. This is your statement. Is the voting closed? Is it still closed? Wait a second. How do I open up the close? Wait, what? How do I open up the voting? Wait, what? Okay, I'm back again. What's up? I know, it's scary. I know. 1 second. Yes, I know. A lot of reflection. I can't help it. Okay, so guys, here we go. Hopefully we'll start the quiz. We'll see if it is working or not. And after that, let's see if we have to go back to the question one more time. 8th question, people. Here we go. Let's go. In which medium the speed of light is minimum? Options are air, glass, water, or diamond. Come on, guys. Come on. Send SC website for syllabus and blueprint. Oh, all right, Nishaji. Why not? Let's go. Super easy question. Guys, all those who've just joined it right now, why don't we make it 150 people? Yeah, come on. Hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, 10 years of bad luck. 10 years of bad luck. 20 years of bad luck, I'm telling you. Think about it. Anyways, 44 of you guys got the right answer. Exactly correct, guys. Well done. It is definitely diamond because the refractive index of diamond comes around 2.40, something around that. So because the refractive index of diamond is so high, The speed of light in diamond is the slowest. It'll actually be the slowest. Whereas air, it would be the fastest, and in diamond, it would be the slowest. Second would be water. So air would be first, where it's the fastest. Second is water. Third is glass. And fourth would be diamond. All right. Okay, people. So that is the answer for that question. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. That is the answer. Here's your leaderboard once again. Abir G on the top, not giving up his position. Well done, Snowman. Sash G unfortunately chose the wrong answer. It's okay. It's okay, Sash. From 3rd to all the way to 10th. It's okay. Happens. Pandey G still on the 2nd, who is the fastest to answer. 3rd is Jia Haida. Moving up slowly. Then it's Harsimran slowly going up. First from 10th position, moved up to 4th. Awesomely well done. Rudransh on the 5th. Ayush on the 6th. Shivank on the 7th. Deepika on the 8th, Teddy on the 9th, and Sash G on the 10th position because of that last question. Okay, moving on to the 9th question. 3 more questions left, done and dusted. That's it. Here is your 9th question, people. Let's go. What is the question? The question is, when light travels from air to glass, the angle of incidence is less than the angle of refraction, angle of incidence is greater than the angle of refraction, angle of incidence is equal to angle of refraction, or you can't really say. Super easy question, guys. Come on. Bet and all. Yes, the bet is still on. If you guys even get one question 100%, then pakka I'm calling up Abhishek Sir. I'm calling up Abhishek Sir and I'm asking him, okay, what do you want me to call and tell Abhishek Sir? What do you want me to tell? Tell me that also. I will read out the exact same thing that you guys tell me. 38 of you guys got it right. Here is your overall percentage. 68%, not bad at all. 27 of you guys went with option number 8. That is not the correct answer. Let me tell you why. Where is it? Where is it? Oppa Gotham style. Please keep dancing. Where is it? Yes. Wait. Why is all of this happening now? Okay, wait. From that time he's dancing now. Wait a second. Why is this the correct answer? Let me show you guys. See, people, light is traveling from air to glass, right? So that means that it is basically entering from a rarer medium into a denser medium. Air to glass, air to denser. My phone just got switched off. I really can't read your chat for a second. Give me 1 second, people. Let me just turn my phone back on. In the meantime, yes. Anyways, so light is entering from air to glass right now. Light is entering from air to glass. So when it is entering from air to glass, what is happening is that the refracted ray will move towards the normal because it is entering from a rarer medium to denser medium. Air is a rarer medium, glass is a denser medium. So it is moving towards the normal. That means that the angle of refraction will be less and angle of incidence will be more because it is moving towards the refracted, the normal, right? So that is why, guys, option number B would be the right answer for this question, not option number A. All right. I hope you got it. I really can't see your chat. So let me just go back to it. Yes, people, did you understand it? Yes. All good, no? I really can't read the chats, so you can see yourself saying hi and bye. All right. Okay, guys, moving on to the next question. The third question, here it is. When light travels from air to a medium, the angle of incidence is 45 degrees and the angle of refraction is 30 degrees. The refractive index of the second medium with respect to the first medium is what? Options are 1.41, 1.50, 1.23 or 1. Let me repeat the question. When light travels from air to medium, okay, I wasn't even doing it on Mentimeter. Genius. Okay, 1 second, people. Let's quickly go through the next question. Here it is one more time. I'm starting the quiz in 3, 2, 1. Let's go, people. I got so confused. When light travels from air to medium, the angle of incidence is 45 degrees and the angle of refraction is 30 degrees. The refractive index of the second medium with respect to the first medium is what? 1.41, 1.50, 1.21 or 1. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Please turn on. Yes, my phone is finally on. Awaken. He is alive now. Risen from the dead. My phone is back. 34%. Sorry, 34 second. 0%. When light travels from air to medium, the angle of incidence is 45 degrees and the angle of refraction is 30 degrees. What is the refractive index of the second medium with respect to the first one is the question. Is it 1.41? Is it 1.50? Is it 1.03? Or is it 1? What is the password? Yes, got it. 1 second. All right. All right, let's go. We will quickly. That's what I'm talking about. 36 of you guys got it right. Not bad at all, people. Well done. 19 of you guys went with option number B, 2 with option number C, and 1 with option number D as well. Rocked it. Guys, please, once again, can we give a big round of applause to that one person, that one kind person who went with option number D, because he was feeling so sorry for option number D. Can we have a big round of applause for that gentleman or ladies or gentlemen, whoever that is? Please, in the chat box, can we give a OP for that person? Let them feel good, guys. Come on. That's it. That's what I'm talking about. Good job, people. Exactly, because they require that appreciation. What is this, huh? Should we only applaud people who are in the top? No. Sometimes you have to do this also. Well done, guys. Thank you. The right answer, however, is 1.41. Let me show you how to do this question. Once again, people, the ray of light. Okay, wait. The ray of light is entering from air to a certain medium. The incident ray is at an angle of 45 degrees. The angle of incidence, the angle of refraction is 30 degrees. This is 30, that is 45. What is the refractive index of the second medium with the first one? So what will be this formula? It will be sin I by sin R. Simple. So refractive, again, Snell's law. Sin I is what? Sin 45. And sin R is what? Sin 30. Same exact thing. Sin 45 is what? It is 1 by root 2. What is sin 30? It is 1 by 2. So take this to the numerator, this to the denominator. What will you get? It will be 2 by root 2. It will be 2 by root 2, which is also equal to 1.414. That will be the answer. That's all. All right. I know the calculation part, though, this decimal conversion, you might have to remember the value of root 2 and everything. But yes, the answer would be around 1.414. That will be the answer. So the answer is option number A. All right. I know they have asked in terms of decimal. That is why it might get a little difficult for you guys. But try to do the calculation part. Trust me, you'll get the answer as 1.414 itself. All right. So that is the answer, guys. That is the answer for the third question as well. Moving on to your leaderboards at the end of that question. Here it is. Om ji ki baat hai, finally beating Abir. Oh my God. Congratulations. Oh, your hard work has paid off. Second is Abir. Third is Abir ji. What is this? Gave up your snowman position. Third is then it's Harsimran. Then it's Shivang who was the first to answer. Then it's Ayush, Teddy Gupta. Then it's Yograj. Then we have Rudransh and Samarth. Congratulations. Welcome to the leaderboard, Yograj and Samarth. Welcome back. Awesome. Moving on to the last and the final question for today. That's it. Done and dusted. The last question. All right. Here we go. I'm very serious right now. All right. So people, if you guys get, this is the bet. The last question, if you guys manage to get 70%. Okay, wait. Let me not show you the question. If you guys get 70%, just 70%. That's all. A mere 70%. If you guys get it, I will immediately call Abhishek sir and tell him exactly what you guys tell me to take. Whatever you type in the chat box. Is that a deal? 65% is around too low. 70%. 65 and all not possible. 70. It should be little this thing for me also, no? Welcome. Paka. All right. So call yourself. Day. All right. What do I have? I wish I had a time machine for that. Okay. Last question. The 11th and the last question. Refractive index of A with respect to B is 2. Find the refractive index of B with respect to A. Options are 0.4, 0.5, 0.25 or 0.2. 38 seconds. It is going to decide your future and mine. Let's go. Suddenly, and the calls are yeah. Sure, pakka, Kirti, I'll do that. All right, sure. I'll call him up and I'll tell him this. Kya hi baat karna aapse? I'll cut the call. No, that's all. Okay, that's done. If you guys get more than 70%, all right? 70% is the deal. If you guys get more than 70%, then only then. Otherwise, I should also get something in return, order. I'll give you my Google Pay number. You guys can donate something, whatever you want. Used clothes. The person you're trying to reach is unavailable at this point of time. The person you're trying to reach is unavailable at this point of time. I would talk to you guys later. Have a great evening. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thanks a lot for joining today's session, guys. I really appreciate all the time and energy that you have spent on today's session. Thanks a lot. Again, the answer to this question is option number B. You guys are amazing. So that's it. I have to hide my face right now. Thanks a lot, people. Thanks a lot. Wonderfully done. Anyways, let me just answer this question. Refractive index of A with respect to B is 2. What would be refractive index of B with respect to A? 1 by 2. It will be 1 by the refractive index of A with respect to B, which is nothing but 1 by 2, which is nothing but 0.5. That is the answer. All right. So that's it, people. Thanks a lot for joining. The person you're trying to reach is unavailable at this point of time. I would like to ask you guys to call me back later, and we will talk about how to call Abhishek sir. And I don't have charge in my phone also. I have to connect my charger and all. And you know that it's like you have a chance of getting electric shocks and all. I'm a little scared. I'm a little scared to use my phone when it's charging. People, so how about we make sure that it never happens again. Yes, that's it. I know you guys are very understanding. All right, okay, people. Okay, I'll do it one more time. This is gonna be fun. Okay, wait. I hope I don't make mistakes in what I'm saying. I have to practice. क्या ही बात करना आपसे? Okay, so that is what I'm going to tell people. That's it. All right, Abhishek Vedantu, Abhishek sir, AKR sir, Budabak sir. It's not connecting. The phone is not connecting. See, you can hear that, no? It's all breaking up. Hello, Abhishek sir. Hello, Abhishek sir. Can't hear you. क्या ही बात करना आपसे? Thank you for joining today's session. Have a wonderful evening. Sorry, there's a lot of static connection and all that. Because of that, I was not able to hear him at all. So we'll talk to him one day. Just that today is just not the right day. Like Rahu Kala and all that is not good today. I just checked the time. It's 4 o'clock. That's already 4 o'clock. So like Rahu Kala and all that. There's a lot of you have to think about all that. You have to. You're very mature now. You have to think about all of that. Rahu Kala and all that. That's why. One last try. All right. One last try. Fingers crossed. Touch wood.
Namaskar. The new year brings a fresh ray of hope in the form of COVID-19.
Hello, Abhishek sir.
क्या ही बात करना आप?
Oh my god. I shouldn't have. He beat me in this also. So yeah, people, that's all. Samadhana. Abhishek sir is calling. Abhishek sir, क्या ही बात करना आपसे? Why would you say that? Yeah, always one step ahead. How is this fair? What about all the other people? Anyways, hopefully you're doing good, Abhishek sir. Everything is going good. Yes. Yes, Abhishek sir. Yes. Good. Would you want to say hi to the students one more time? Yes.
Hi students, what's up?
Yes, you can hear that again. That voice in the back of the head that tells, yes.
Yeah,
What's up?
Yeah,
Yes.
that's Anoop Sir's voice. By the way.
Yes,
Yeah,
thank you.
so much, guys.
Thank you, people. Thank you. That's it, Abhishek sir. क्या ही बात करना आपसे? Goodbye. Take care.
Take care, Anoop sir.
Bye bye. Ja Simran ja. Alright, so people, that's all. That's all for today. Happy, twice, you guys made me lose twice. This is just not fair. I should make the competition a little more harder. Just not exactly, always base at the what. Anyways, I know I wanted to, but he told me before I could tell him. This is so bad. Okay, anyways, so people, that's it. Okay, by the way, this is the final leaderboard for today. Thanks a lot for joining today's session once again. Where is the final leaderboard? Here we go. Om Ji, congratulations, AKR Sir ka budwa. Congratulations, buddy. Super awesome. Well prepared. Well done. Second is Abir. Awesomely well done, Abir. Until the end, you did amazingly well done. Third is Jia. Super duper amazing. Done. Then we have Harsimran, the first time on leaderboard, our fourth position. Then we have Shivank. Awesomely well done, buddy. Then it's Maurya. Then we have Teddy Gupta, followed by Yograj, followed by Rudransh and Deepika. Super amazing, guys. Super amazing. Super proud of you guys. Absolutely spectacular looking leaderboard as well. Well done, guys. Well done. So what I want to suggest you guys is this: please make sure you practice more such questions. Get prepared. Get used to these kind of questions, right? It's not just what you see, it's not just using your mirror formula and lens formula. It's also questions like these that is going to help you prepare overall for your exam so that you don't lose even those 1 mark questions, right? It's very important. Each of those marks matter a lot when it comes to your board exam. So make sure you practice all types of questions, no matter how simple, easy, no matter how confusing it looks like, make sure you practice those questions, right? So that's what I want to tell you guys. Thanks a lot once again. Anything else that you would like to do? Yes, do more MCQs. Absolutely, we'll be coming back with more numericals now. We have only done the case study based questions. We also have to do assertion reasoning type questions as well. Subscribe to the channel. Yes, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that we can we'll be coming back with more such videos and make sure that you guys are getting good practice for your MCQs type questions, right? Happy birthday in advance. Thanks a lot. Thank you. So please read totally it. I read that out there. I totally got it. We'll see what we can do in to accommodate that change, right? We'll try our best. Yeah. Thank you, Bhumika. Thanks a lot. For formulas, yes, Hemang, I have actually spoken to the team. We'll definitely do that also, buddy. 100% will be putting up a video for formulas alone. Absolutely, all right? Like a formula cheat sheet, right? Chain timing, we have school at this time. I know, Nishar. I have spoken to the team for that also. Let's see what we can do on that, right? Anyways, guys, that's all for today. Thanks a lot, Chetaji. Thanks a lot. I'll see you guys soon. Yeah, thank you, Kirti. Yes. Thanks a lot. All right, then, people. Have a great evening ahead. I think you have Shweta ma'am session right now. So attend that. Enjoy your rest of the evening and all the very best for your future. Do well. Take care of yourselves and be good. And stay healthy. Stay hydrated. Good luck. Bye-bye, guys. See you all. See you also. Bye-bye, guys. Yes. Why? No. I'll call only Abhi sir. Yes, only Abhi sir. Alright, bye guys. See you all in the next session, people. Take care. Until then, bye guys. This is Anoop signing off for the day. Have a great evening ahead. Bye guys. See you all.